Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a scrunchie. So to make a scrunchie, we will require yarn of our favorite color. We need a stitch marker, a rubber band, a darning needle, and I am using 3.5 mm crochet hook. So let's get into the video. First, take the rubber band and the yarn of your choice. First we need to make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this and make a loop. Now insert your hook into the loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now tighten the shorter end. Now we need to attach it to the rubber band. So remove the hook and place your yarn inside the rubber band. Now again put the hook into the loop and make a chain, yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. Now we have attached the yarn to the rubber band. Now we need to make single crochets all around the rubber band. To make a single crochet, insert your hook into the rubber band and also make sure you are working through the shorter end inside to give a polished look. So insert your hook into the rubber band, yarn over, pull through the rubber band, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is one single crochet. Now let me show you again. We have one loop on the hook, insert your hook into the rubber band, yarn over, pull through the rubber band. We have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both of the loops. In the same way, we have to complete single crochets all around the rubber band. How many single crochets will fit into the rubber band? You can make that many single crochets. Just make sure the rubber band is entirely covered with this color of yarn. No color from the rubber band should be visible outside. We can adjust the stitches like this after making a few, such that it will cover the entire rubber band. Now I'll complete all the single crochets all around and let me meet you there. So now I have completed single crochets all around the rubber band such that the below color is not visible. Now to finish this round, slip stitch into the first single crochet. To make a slip stitch, insert into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through the single crochet and pull through the loop on the hook. This is how slip stitch is done. Now to make the second row, we have to make second row with 3 double crochet increases. I'll show you how to make it. First we need 2 chains to give height to this line, to give height to this row. So let's make 2 chains. 1, yarn over and pull through the loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. So in the same single crochet, we have to make 2 more double crochets. Yarn over, insert into the single crochet, yarn over, pull through the single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We need to make 1 more. Yarn over, insert into the same single crochet, yarn over, pull through the single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this gives us 3 double crochets into the same single crochet. This is called double crochet increases. Now we have to make, similarly we have to make in every single crochet 3 double crochets. I'll show you one more set. So now into the next single crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next single crochet, yarn over, pull through the single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert into the same single crochet, yarn over, pull through the single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again in the same single crochet, yarn over, insert into the same single crochet, yarn over, pull through the single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have made 3 double crochets into the same single crochet. We need to repeat this pattern all over the scrunchie, and I'll meet you there. So now I have completed the entire round of 3 double crochet increases in each single crochet. Make sure you do compulsory 3 double crochets in each single crochet, because it will result in these perfect ruffles for your scrunchie. Now I'll show you how to finish the scrunchie and fasten the ends. So let me make, I have one more single crochet left, so I'll make 3 increased double crochets here. So 1, 2 and 3. Now to fasten the end, to complete this round, insert your hook into the first double crochet here and yarn over, pull through the double crochet and pull through the loop on the hook. This is called slip stitch. After making the slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now pull out the yarn through the chain and tighten. Now this end we will just hide into the work. For that I am taking a darning needle and pull the yarn through it. Now I'll just weave the ends into the work. You can just weave into any random ends. Now I'll come back again. And I'll just cut the excess yarn. Now our scrunchie is ready. Just see those perfect, gorgeous ruffles. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.